Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashanah'M back with a new video, and today we're going to be doing something different. We are going to be talking about lashes and how the best way to apply them. I wasn't too sure to do this video because I'm not a pro myself, but I do have some tips that I use to get my lashes on, my false lashes. I do have lashes of my own. I have long lashes, so it is kind of hard for me to apply false lashes because my lashes are so long. So I'm going to just give you my tips and tricks and the tools that I use to get my lashes on perfectly and close to the lash line as possible. So without further ado, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification button, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started. So now what I like to do, okay, first things first, you're gonna need first things first, you're gonna need some lash glue. The lash glue I love using, this is the INV by Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe. I have this is the one in black. I was using the one in clear, but to me clear is considered white because once it dries it's white. So that's just me. This glue is $2.99. I freaking love this glue. Like, this is the best lash glue I've used thus far. I'm not saying this is the best ever in life, but if you're just starting out, you don't want to spend all this money on lash glue, this would be definitely perfect. I got this from my local beauty supply store. The glue I was using before was the duo glue. The duo glue doesn't keep my lashes on all day. I kind of figured that out later on because I'm like, why my lashes won't stay on? And then I was like, you know what, let me just try another glue. And once I tried this, I've been in love ever since. Now if you have long lashes or if you have short lashes and you want to curl them, I use this eyelash curler. I don't use it to curl though. I use it to uncurl my lashes because I said I have long lashes. So, and this I'm about to say spatula. This tweezer, right? I call this a tweezer. I use this as my eyelash applicator. It has this little dip right here. Really helps me grasp the lashes so I can put it onto my lashes. So I'll really recommend, if you're a beginner, definitely purchase this eyelash curler. Oh, wait, I get this eyelash curler from, I believe they have them in drugstore, and I also have a pink one. I don't know where I put it. I think it's in one of my bags. But this eyelash curler is bomb. Like, this has been my favorite eyelash curler ever since. Like, it's been a very, like, I've been using this ever since. I didn't use no other eyelash curler or tweezer. Also, if you're very a pro, this is another eyelash curler. This is another tweezer you can use, but I don't like this too much because it doesn't open up wide enough. It's super small. Like, this is better than when you tweezing your brows. I don't tweeze my brows. I don't do anything to my brows, so that ain't perfect for me. So I just have it just to have it, I guess. But this eyelash, I keep killing it, the eyelash curler. This eyelash applicator is the best, I feel like, thus far. And you get it from drugstore, beauty supply store. Just look for the one with this little dip here and this little clamp thing, the part where you put your fingers. This is perfect. Trust me. Okay, using mascara is optional. I don't use mascara. I haven't used mascara in a while, but I'm going to use it on video. I'm going to use it on camera today just to give you guys an idea. So I recommend either you use a palette mirror or you use a compact mirror. That makes sense? A compact mirror. I don't know. I use both depending on what I have in reach. Sometimes if I'm already using this for my eyeshadow, I'll pick this up and I just be, you know, put on my lashes, etc. So now let's get to curling the lashes. So I use my applicator. I can't get my words together today. I use my eyelash curler, but instead of me curling it like this, curling it up, I use it backwards. Meaning, instead of going like this, I turn it this way and I put my lashes inside. Please don't pinch yourself because I do it all the time and it hurts very badly. I just get my lashes and I just curl them very, you know, to my liking. Ow, see, I just poked myself. Okay, Can I see? I can see. Okay, so I'm gonna just curl these lashes real quick. I'm basically curling them out instead of curling them up. Once I've done that, what lashes I'm gonna use today? I'm going to use these are lashes that I already worn, of course. I'm gonna use the Kiss lashes. Okay, the lashes that I mainly use on a regular day basis, like my everyday lash, is the Ardell Wispies. I use the Demi Wispies as well, but the Wispies has been like giving me life so far. So I mean, I have my little lash phases, but the ones that are really I use all the time is the Kiss Blowout Lash in Pixie, right? Yeah, this is the Kiss lashes in Pixie. I freaking love these lashes. They are nice and light. They're fluttery. They like have spaces in them, so it makes any makeup look pop. Trust me, even if you don't have no makeup on, no eyelashes on, it makes your eyes pop. So now I just take my lash glue and I just put some please be careful with this lash glue when squeezing it out. Like, be careful, because how many times I got lash glue all over the lash. It's just crazy. It doesn't make any sense. I'm just clumsy like that. I just, you know, it just, stuff like that just happens to me. So I'm gonna be a little generous with the glue. Not too generous, because you want it to hurry up and dry. You don't want to be waiting for it to dry all day. But I mainly put more glue onto the corner, the inner corners, because the inner corners are the first to lift up, which is so annoying. So I just put a little bit more on the part where the inner corner is going to be. I advise you not to apply as soon as you put the glue on, because the glue will not stick, because it's better to stick when the glue is tacky. If the glue is just fresh out the tube onto the lash, it will not stick. You will have to probably hold it there for it to stick in place, and it's just going to move everywhere. So I advise you to not have these, like, when you're not, I mean, because you know lashes they don't take a while, but if you really want to get them right, then I advise you to just be patient. Don't be in a rush and try to put on lashes, because it's not going to work. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that, and I have not succeeded. Trust me. Okay, now lashes are dry. Well, one lash is dry, so I'm going to put it on. I place it right in the middle. Of course, I have my mirror. I'm looking down. Being that I have long lashes, if I look up, it's going to be hard for me to actually place it on my lash line. So I just look down, and I place my lash in the center. See that? It's placed. Now, once it's placed, I then go place it into the front of my lash. I mean my inner corner. How you say that? Yeah. Then I take, sometimes I don't even use the tweezers for the ends. I just basically lift it over my lashes, make sure they're over my lashes, and I just place it on my lash line. Then I take my tweezers and I just squeeze my lashes with the falsies so it can be closer to my lash line, and you won't really see any space, because I'm not using any wing eyeliner today. So wing eyeliner is basically better. Wing eyeliner is perfect for when you are beginning with lashes, and you could just put some wing eyeliner if you aren't you haven't mastered putting the lash close to your lash line. The liner will make it look like it is close to your lash line, if you know what I mean. So, but today I'm not using any winged eyeliner, so this is perfect. This is perfect. I feel like this is not really on like that. Okay guys, I got one lash on. I had to reapply the glue because I waited too long because I was on a phone call. So we're going to do the other lash the same exact way. We're going to do the same lash. Why did I close the glue? We're going to do the same lash the exact same way. I also recommend when you are reusing your lashes, make sure you do take the glue off. Caked on glue is a annoying and it's gonna make you look crazy. And I advise you, like, once you take off your makeup or your lashes, just, you know, take time out to, you know, pick the glue off. I mean, be gentle, because I use a tweezer to pick mine off. What? As you can see, I have a little lash glue that I don't want to see. I do not want to see. So I'm gonna go back in with the eyeshadow that I have on my lid. But we're gonna just go over that lash line, over the glue with the eyeshadow. This is the Colossal Big Shots mascara, and if you want to blend it in with your lashes, you could do that as well. I don't usually do this part, but I'm just showing you guys to give you guys options depending on your what kind of lashes you have. So if you enjoyed this video, if I gave you good tips and tricks to get your lashes popping, then leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click that notification button so you can notify every time I upload. If you like how-to videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see y'all in the next one. I love you guys so much. If you're worried about where how I got these curls popping, I will leave all my hair videos and my recent makeup tutorials in the description box and pop up in the card. So you all set, boo. I love you guys so much. See y'all guys in the next video. Laters.